Today, we are talking about an aircraft that has become an icon in the realm of military aviation, the Sukhoi Su-27. This aircraft represents not only a pivotal moment in aviation technology but also a symbol of national pride and military capability for its country of origin, Russia. Introduction to the Sukhoi Su-27. The Sukhoi Su-27, also known by its NATO reporting name, Flanker, is a twin-engine, supermaneuverable fighter aircraft designed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau. It was first introduced in the late 1970s, marking a significant evolution in fighter design. The Su-27 was developed as a response to the need for a long-range air superiority fighter that could engage enemy aircraft effectively while also providing a platform capable of ground attack missions. The genesis of the Su-27 can be traced back to the Soviet Union's desire to create a fighter that could match and outperform its Western counterparts, particularly the US F-15 and F-16. With its first flight occurring in 1977, the Su-27 entered service in the late 1980s, and since then, it has undergone numerous upgrades and modifications, evolving into a family of aircraft that includes various variants tailored for different roles. Design and features. The Su-27's design is characterized by several key features that contribute to its exceptional performance. Its airframe is constructed using advanced materials and incorporates a low-wing layout with a high aspect ratio, which enhances its aerodynamic efficiency. The aircraft is powered by two AL-31F turbofan engines that provide a thrust-to-weight ratio that is among the best in its class, allowing for impressive acceleration and climb rates. One of the standout features of the Su-27 is its supermaneuverability. This capability is largely attributed to its thrust vectoring control, which allows the aircraft to change the direction of its engine thrust and consequently its flight path. This unique ability enables the Su-27 to perform complex maneuvers that can outmatch many of its rivals in dogfighting scenarios, making it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat. Additionally, the Su-27 is equipped with advanced avionics and sensor systems, including a powerful radar capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously. This allows the pilot to engage enemy aircraft at long ranges while also providing situational awareness during combat. The aircraft's weapon systems are equally impressive, with the capability to carry a wide array of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including missiles, bombs, and precision-guided munitions. Operational history. The operational history of the Su-27 is as diverse as its design. Initially, it served as a key component of the Soviet Air Force, providing air superiority during the Cold War. The aircraft was involved in several conflicts, most notably during the Soviet-Afghan War, where it demonstrated its capabilities in both air-to-air and ground attack roles. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the Su-27 found a new lease on life as it was adopted by several former Soviet republics and allied nations. Countries such as Ukraine, Belarus, and Kazakhstan have operated variants of the Su-27, while others, like China and India, have developed their own versions based on the original design. The Chinese J-11, for example, is a licensed copy of the Su-27, showcasing the aircraft's influence on global military aviation. In recent years, the Su-27 has participated in various military exercises and air shows around the world, often showcasing its agility and performance. Its presence in the skies continues to signify a strong military capability for nations that operate it, making it a vital asset in air defense strategies. Variants and evolution. The Sukhoi Su-27 family has grown over the years to include several variants, each tailored for specific missions and roles. The most notable variants include 1. Su-27S, the original air superiority version, designed for air-to-air combat. 2. Su-27UB, a two-seat trainer variant that allows for pilot instruction while retaining combat capabilities. 3. Su-30, a multi-role fighter variant that incorporates advanced avionics and weapons systems, capable of executing both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. 4. Su-33, a naval variant specifically designed for carrier operations, featuring reinforced landing gear and folding wings for storage aboard aircraft carriers. 5. Su-35, a modernized version with enhanced avionics and thrust vectoring engines, further improving its combat capabilities. Each of these variants demonstrates the adaptability of the original Su-27 design and reflects the evolving needs of modern air forces. The ongoing upgrades and modifications ensure that the Su-27 family remains competitive in today's rapidly changing military landscape. Global impact and legacy. The Sukhoi Su-27 has made a significant impact on global military aviation, influencing fighter design and tactics worldwide. Its combination of speed, agility, and advanced technology has set a benchmark for future aircraft development. Many nations have sought to develop their own versions or derivatives, showcasing the Su-27's lasting legacy in the field of aviation. The Su-27 has also played a crucial role in shaping air combat doctrine. Its performance in exercises and real-world scenarios has informed the development of tactics that emphasize maneuverability and situational awareness. As air forces around the world continue to adapt to new threats and challenges, the principles demonstrated by the Su-27 remain relevant. Moreover, the aircraft's international presence has fostered collaborations and partnerships between nations. Joint exercises and training programs that incorporate the Su-27 have allowed for knowledge sharing and a deeper understanding of aerial combat strategies. This collaborative spirit is vital in an era where threats are increasingly transnational, requiring joint efforts to ensure security and stability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Sukhoi Su-27 is much more than just a fighter aircraft. It is a symbol of innovation, resilience, and strategic foresight. From its inception in the Cold War era to its ongoing role in modern air forces, the Su-27 has consistently demonstrated its capabilities and adaptability. As we look to the future of military aviation, the lessons learned from the Su-27 will undoubtedly continue to influence the design and development of next-generation fighter aircraft. As we celebrate the achievements of the Sukhoi Su-27, let us also acknowledge the dedication and expertise of the engineers, pilots, and military personnel who have contributed to its legacy. The Su-27 is not just a machine. It embodies the spirit of aviation and the pursuit of excellence in defense of national sovereignty.